I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here you contribute by posting brilliant questions and we provide you with some solutions which can help. It's a learning platform for both of us. Thanks a lot for your contributions. We'll discuss an excellent word problem for greater foundation to learn how do we solve word problems. That's the whole idea. Question here is Peter earns $15 per hour plus 5% of his sales over $1,000 for a 40-hour work week. It's a complicated statement. A lot of parameters are given to us. So we might go through it once again. Peter earns $15 per hour plus 5% on his sales over $1,000 for a 40-hour work week. Perfect. Three parts. First one, write an equation for the earnings E and sales S in a 40-hour work week. Second part is find the total earning E for a sale of $750, and third part is find the total earning E for the sales of $2,500. So let's try to solve this question one by one. Getting to the equation itself, we can write the earnings E and all are in dollars, right? So these are in dollars, earnings and sales. Earnings is given to us as $15 per hour, and we're talking about a 40-hour week. So this 15 will be times 40 hours. So $15 per hour. So during the week of 40 hours, total earning will definitely be 15 times 40. Now, on top of this, sales, if they are more than 1000, then 5% will be additional earning. So 5% means 5 divided by 100. So percent means out of 100, which is 0.05. Okay? So 0.05 of what? This is where students make some mistakes. Sales minus 30. Sales over 1000. Sales minus 1000. That becomes the earnings. Now, you will notice that we have to use this formula to part B, and there's also one more condition here. Can you tell me that? This equation is still not complete. This equation is actually only when sales is more than or equal to 1000. You will notice if we put sales as less than 1000, the earnings will be less than the fixed earning of 15 into 40. So need to take that precaution, right? So sales part S is valid. This part is only valid for the amount, right? So that's important to understand. So otherwise, the earning is basically equal to 15 into 40. If sales is less than $1,000. Now, so it is a piecewise function. Perfect. So that is what it is, and therefore now I hope you will appreciate part 2 and 3. In part 2, we have taken sales of $750. So in that case, we are going to use the amount which he normally gets. He doesn't get that 5% extra on sales because it is below the qualifying level. So I hope this part is absolutely clear, and that's the main idea of solving that problem. Great. So let's move on now to solve the other two parts. So, as I was saying, what we have done here is basically multiplied 15 into 40, right? So, 15 into 40 is 600, right? So, this 600 comes from 15 into 40, correct? Which is 600. So, that is the value which Peter will earn if the sales is less than 1000. You get the whole idea. So, let's do part 2, which is earnings when we are given that the sales is $750. Since sales is 750, the earning is only 600, right? You do not get this part because you do not qualify for that. Is that clear? Perfect. So that is for the second part. But in the third part, the sales is more than 1000, so it will be 600 plus 0.05 of 2500 minus 1000. That is where the equations will be different for the two cases, right? So this is 600 plus 0.05 times 1500. And you can calculate this amount, right? So you have 1500, which qualifies for 5%, multiplying by 0.05 gives you 75. So it is $675, right? So now we can write down the answer for both. In the first case, the earning is only equal to 600. And in the second case, it is equal to 675. Okay? So this is $600 per week, and that is $675 per week because there is 5% extra from the sale of 2500. Perfect. So I hope that is how we have to do it and you have understood the whole process. It is a piecewise function, as you can see. Great. Feel free to write your comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your valuable time and all the best.